Wagwan beautiful people, I am Chev B. If you're new to this channel, welcome Wagwan. For today's video, I'll be creating this sleek, long, extended braided ponytail using only one pack of hair on my thick, coily 4-type hair. And I'll be doing this style without using any heat at all. So if you want to see how I do that, keep watching. Now this is how my hair is looking. I washed my hair overnight and then I put them in some plaits and then replat them in the morning to get a little bit more stretch. Now this style is inspired by Megan Thee Stallion, her braided ponytail, and I wanted to just try it out on my natural hair without using any heat at all. Now for a lot of people, they do their braided ponytails by stretching their hair using heat, and that is with blow drying and flat ironing. But I prefer to use products to get my hair stick down because I can wash out products, but I can't wash out a heat damaged hair. So I'm making sure that my hair is fully detangled, which it is, because after I wash it, I put leave-in conditioner in my hair last night and some oil, so I know that my hair is moisturized. And you can even get your hair to stretch a little bit more using whatever method that you use if you don't want to use any heat at all. So I just did my overnight method. Now sectioning my thick hair, because trust me, if I don't section my hair to try to slick it down, I'm going to be having bumps everywhere. Okay, this will be like a highway with lots of potholes, like a lot of bumping, you feel me? So I create those 3 sections. So I'm going to start with the middle section and make sure that my hair is detangled in the middle. Now usually I use my Aunt Jackie gel, but I decided to go with the Wetline gel. I have never used this gel before, so I'm hoping that it works. My Aunt Jackie gel is great for my wash and goes, but it's not that great when it comes to hold, and I haven't used Eco Styler in years. So yeah, we're gonna try the Wetline Extreme Gel because I've seen people talk about it a lot, and this will be our first time. Now I'll be going with the ever faithful EBIN Edge Control. I have a love-hate relationship. If you are regulars on my channel, you know my love-hate relationship for this gel. It gets the job done, but the only thing is, if you don't use it properly, like with a particular method, boom, your head would be like it's Christmas, it's snowing everywhere, flakes everywhere. So I'll be using this 2-sided brush, and I'll be using the hard part to smooth down my hair. Now the technique that I'm going to be using with the EBIN is that I'm going to be mixing it with the Wetline gel. So first, for this section, I put the Wetline first, then the EBIN, but you guys are gonna see me switch it up because I got better results when I use the edge control first and then the gel over the edge control. So I'm just doing the sections, making sure it's smooth and everything is going up into one. So I initially start with the middle ponytail, and then I just keep adding hair without removing the ponytail until I get to like the final section of hair sleeked up. So I'm just showing you guys like the second method that I did using the gel and edge control. So first you got to make sure that your hair is fully smooth, and then I'm going to use the EBIN to sleek that down and then use the gel over it. And I realized I like this what do you call it? I like this what am I saying? Like, I'm lost for words, but I like this combination in this order. That's what I'm trying to say. And then I found the She Is Bomb edge control in my beauty supply store. Like, you guys were recommending this edge control since forever, but I refused to buy it on Amazon because I live in Toronto, Canada, and it comes with like the edge control. I think it was like 20 Canadian dollars or something, like something ridiculous, and then the shipping was not cute. So I'm like, I ain't about to spend $30 some on some edge control. So I was happy to see it in my beauty supply store. It's still expensive for a little jar, but girl, this edge control is bomb. That's why she is bomb. Like this edge control is freaking crazy. Like, my hair stayed all day in the sun and all the way to the nighttime. So I tie that down, and then we're gonna move on to the next section. But trust me, I might just do a video on the edge control by itself. Anyways, this is the braiding hair that we'll be using. It's pretty stretched. This is the Hollywood premium African braid, and there's 3 bundles of hair. It's 60 inches and it has feathered end. The last braided ponytail video that I did, I used the expression braid and I had to fix the ends. You guys know what I'm saying, stretch the ends. And I'm so happy that I found this. Like, I wanted to make sure that it's long, so you guys see me, like, I don't even know how to explain this. I hope this makes sense. But how I extended the braid is I make them uneven, 2 bundles of hair uneven, then join them together on the uneven ends. If you don't understand what I just said, just rewatch this part of the video. So I take the 2 braids and extended them unevenly, and then just tie them together so that I get the extra long braid, because you know expression braids are super long, and I couldn't find feathered and pre-stretched braiding hair that was like 80 inches. I couldn't find that, so I had to create my own using the 60-inch hair. So I'm using a hair tie to put them together. I'm going to go with this type of hair tie as opposed to a rubber band, because I don't want it to tug and pull on my hair, and it's so much easier to remove this type of hair tie as opposed to the elastic band. And also you want to make sure that it's not the one with the metallic piece in it that joins the hair tie together, because that can also pull on your hair. Now this was the most difficult part of doing this style, because with my hair thicker, a bun under the braid was just not it. It was gonna look super bulky, and I didn't want that. I wanted to flow into each other. So the difficult part of it is my natural hair, trying to get it to blend, but that's okay, because we're gonna cover it in a minute after we finish this braid. So I want the braid to stay this size, so I'm not gonna hot water, because when I hot water my braids, they get a little bit too slim, or slimmer than I actually want them. And with this pre-stretch hair, you really don't have to hot water it, because it's just flawless. And then I take a little piece of braiding hair and I put an elastic over it, and then you might want to do this before you braid your hair, because I had to call Simba to help me put it on, because I couldn't get the whole thing over because of how small the elastic was. So after I got that on there, I'm just going to wrap it around the base of the ponytail, and also bring it a little bit down to help cover my little flyaways of hair. Then we're going to use the Got to Be freezing spray. And yeah, that's basically it. When you put this freezing spray on it, it's super sticky. You can use a blow dryer to dry it. And then I'm going to be taking these braiding cords. I got them at my local beauty supply store. I think you can get them on Amazon, you can get them on Sam's Beauty, you can get them just about everywhere. So they're called braiding cord or braiding rope. So I knotted it at the base, and then I start wrapping down. So I'm just going to make you guys see how I do that. It's nothing special. It's just like adding some flair to your braid. So I use 2 of that, and then I cut the excess piece on top. And then what I do is I knot the coils, or the cords rather, at the base of the ponytail. Okay, beautiful people, this is my final look. Let me know what you guys think. I know it seems like a lot of product, but trust, you can just wash out products, okay? But too much heat on fine natural hair is not it. My hair is coily. I try to minimize the amount of blow drying that I do on my hair within a month. So this was our alternative. Let me know what you guys think. Are you going for the ponytail look, the stallion ponytail? I'm only 5'3", so you can call me My Little Pony. Okay. All the details that you'll need to know will be in the description box below. Leave your comments below. Spam the comment section, okay? Like and share this video. Let's get this video to 500 likes. I would love that, or more. I don't even know. Let me know. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at damnthatschev. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, you need to go on ahead and subscribe down below. And we're just going to be killing this look. Tag me in your looks if you do decide to do this braided ponytail on your social media. Let me know. I want to join in the fun, you know, so I could spam your comment section. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.